Good afternoon, students of Class 10. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Please keep care of your health as well as of your study because your board examination is very much near hand. Dear students, today I am starting the new chapter Lifelines of National Economy in Geography. Students, you are seeing many things around you. Some of things are available on their own, but many things come from outside. Now think yourself. The economic development of any country depends upon the manufactures of goods and services. But merely manufacture of goods and services is not sufficient in itself. The development of a country also depends upon the transportation, trade, and communication. Nowadays, the importance of these things have increased manifold. Today, the world has been converted into a large village with the help of efficient and fast moving transport, communication, and trade. Today, India is well linked with the rest of the world despite its vast size, diversity, and linguistic and socio-cultural plurality. We are seeing that railways, airways, waterways, newspapers, roads, television, cinema, internet, etc. are contributing to its socio-economic development in many ways. The traders from local and international level have added to the vitality of its economy. It has enriched our life and added substantially to growing amenities and facilities for the comforts of life. So this is in contrast to ancient days when trade, communication and transport were restricted to a limited space. So in this chapter we will see how efficient means of transport, communication and trade are the lifelines of our economy. A dense and efficient network of transport and communication is a precondition for local, national and global trade of today. Now I will first consider the means of transport. Primarily there are three means of transport, that is land, water and air transport. Among land transport there are three types: roadways, railways and pipelines. First we will consider roadways. India has one of the largest road network in the world. It aggregates to about 54.7 lakh km. In India, roadways are existing much before the railways. The roadways have still an advantage over railways. This is due to the following reasons. First, construction cost as well as the maintenance of roads is much lower than that of railway lines. Second, roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography. Third, roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes. For example, on mountains or in the remote areas, it can be built easily. Fourth, road transport is economical in transportation of few persons and relatively smaller amounts of goods over short distances. Fifth, it also provides door-to-door service. Thus, the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. Sixth, road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway stations, air, and seaports. Now, about the types of roads. In India, the roads are classified in the following six classes. First, Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways. The Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways is a major road development project started by the government of India linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi by 6-lane superhighways. Its two parts are the north-south corridor connecting Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu and east-west corridor linking Silchar in Assam to Porbandar in Gujarat. The major objective of these superhighways is to reduce the time and distance between the metropolitan cities of India. These highway projects are being implemented by the National Highway Authority of India or NHAI. Second is national highways. The national highways connect extreme and remote parts of the country. These are the primary road systems and are laid and maintained by the Central Public Works Department, in short CPWD. There are a number of major national highways running in north, south and east-west directions. The historical Sher Shah Suri Marg is now called the National Highway number 1, which exists between Delhi and Amritsar. Third is state highways. Roads linking a state capital with different district headquarters are known as state highways. These roads are constructed and maintained by the State Public Works Department PWD in state and union territories. Fourth is district roads. These roads connect the district headquarters with other places of the district. These roads are maintained by the Jila Parishad. Fifth in this sequence is other roads. For example, rural roads, which link rural areas and villages with towns. These roads received special attention under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provisions are made so that every village in India is linked to a major town in the country by an all-season motorable route. Sixth and last in this line are the border roads. Border roads are made and maintained by the Border Road Organization, which is a Government of India undertaking. These roads are made in the bordering and strategic areas of the country. This organization was established in 1960 for the development of the roads of strategic importance in the northern and northeastern border areas. These roads have improved accessibility in areas of difficult terrain and have helped in the economic development of these areas. Besides this, roads can also be classified on the basis of the type of materials used for their construction. On this basis, roads can be grouped into metal and unmetalled roads. Now, metal roads are those which are made of cement, concrete, or even bitumen of coal. Therefore, they are all weather roads and they are working all over the year. But the unmetalled roads, also called the kacha roads, go out of use in the rainy season. With this, I complete today's class, which is on the transport, and which consists of description about roadways. The next class I will deal with the railways, pipelines, which is also from land transport, and maybe I will also discuss about the waterways. Students, you are now to be most serious about your studies because you are not far away from your board examination. So make your routine very strict and adhere to your studies so that you should achieve maximum marks in the forthcoming board examination. Thank you. We will meet in the next class again, which will be on Tuesday. Thank you.